welcome. Coming into our new house, our new place. Andre's behind the camera. We figured we would give you guys a quick little house tour. We settled in pretty much this past week. We moved in a couple of weeks ago. We did a little bit of projects around the house, settled in, and we are happy so far, but we're still decorating in the process. So I do want to ask you guys a couple of questions or opinions on what I should do. And then I want to give you guys a quick little life update, where we moved, why we moved, that type of deal. So right off the main door, we have 2 bedrooms and a guest bathroom downstairs. So both of these rooms, they're our office. This room right here is my filming room. It's a little crazy. You guys will see it a little bit inside. And then this one is Andre's office. And then we made this into like our guest bathroom. It's just very simple. Yeah, we didn't really do too much in here just because it's just a very simple bathroom. I hung up the most amazing painting or picture or saying, enjoy the little things. As you should when you're in the bathroom. We're keeping it very neutral. Andre thinks these rugs are a little too dark and bold for this little bathroom, but I kind of think it breaks up the space. I don't know. What do you guys think? I kind of like them, but Andre doesn't.
Yeah, I don't think they belong in there.
So this room right here, like I said, is my filming room studio where I get ready in the morning, do my hair and makeup. It's a little bit crazy just because we have a lot of lights, tripod set up. It's still obviously not set up the way we want it. Just kind of, we just put everything up just to film. But I do want to create a nice backdrop on this wall. And the reason why I picked this room is because look at the windows. I have so much natural lighting here. I love it. This room is kind of chaotic, so let's go to the next one. So this right here is Andre's office. And some of the stuff, we keep extra things in here. So we just have, it's kind of all crazy. We're still not done, obviously, but yeah, it's really cute. I love the tall ceilings in this house. I think that's my favorite part. They're massive. Let's go on to my favorite part of the house. And then we walk into this big, gray open space. We have the kitchen, which I am not the biggest fan of dark kitchens, but I love the way they designed this. All the cabinets go pretty much to the top of the ceiling. I love that. I love the nice island, and then it goes right into the dining room, which I love. And I love the little windows. I love the wainscoting or the chair rails. Chair railings? What do you call that? Wainscoting, I think. But yeah, I love our little dining room area. And this right here is my favorite room of the entire house, the living room. So this right here is what we actually did ourselves. We built this huge shiplap fireplace so that way we could mount our TV a little bit lower. It had a mantle, not our favorite, so we took out the mantle and Andre designed this entire thing from scratch. And we went out, bought shiplap, painted it. Such a mess in the backyard, but I'm painting for the fireplace mantle, making like a huge shiplap wall. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Now I need to paint the really small ones. And installed it, and then we bought a glass door to make it nice and flush with the TV. And we're like 99% done. We have this little edge that we have to complete, but we still didn't paint that or buy it. But yes, we are obsessed with it. It looks amazing, and I'm excited for the winter because it actually gets cold here where we moved, so I can actually turn on the fireplace. I'm excited for that. I just love the windows in here. It's so bright and open and just so airy, and of course the ceilings are super tall. So the one thing that I don't know what I want to do with this space is what kind of table we should get. A little round table, a square table. I kind of have something in mind. I'll insert some images and you guys let me know what you think. I honestly have no idea. And then I was thinking maybe get like 1 chair or maybe 2 smaller chairs to kind of finish this off, but I feel that it might close it up a little bit. I don't know what to do with the space. And then we actually created this light, the chandelier. I was looking for so long. I wanted something black just because we have black with the dining room. I kind of wanted to match a little bit. and we love the metal aspect of it as well. So I was trying to find something on Wayfair Overstock, and I found this one light that was like $700. It was a very simple square, and then it had that light that is in the center that we already actually had from our previous place. Pendant lights in the kitchen, we have 2 of them, but it was silver. So basically what we did, or what Andre did, he found this end table that was this circular metal piece that had a wooden flat top. What we did was just took off the wood and we just kept the frame of the table. We just inserted the light inside. I spray painted the light black to match it, and we are very impressed because it looks beautiful in this space and we just love it. Andre is very pleased with himself. All right, so moving on, another question what we had was, we're kind of debating for this wall right here. In our last place, we had this gallery wall where we hung up a lot of our pictures and just kind of randomly hung them, but kind of in a pattern type of deal. So we're thinking to do the same thing on this wall. But what I'm thinking is maybe add like a really long but thin console table. I could put maybe some kind of lamps on there, really cool pieces. And then on top of that, hang up a really cool gallery wall art. But Andre doesn't want the table just because we do have a door that goes outside, so it is going to be kind of like a high traffic area. What do you guys think? Put a table there or just make it an entire gallery art wall?
Yep.
All right, so let's go back into the kitchen. I mean, there's not really too much to show here. I just love the really tall cabinets. I think they're amazing. And I love that we have the extra little cabinets at the very top. So then right off the kitchen, there's a little hallway here. The first thing is it's a little pantry in here, which is really nice. It's not really organized, but you get the point. So there's food and snacks in there. And then right here, we have this little entryway from the garage, which we use all the time. So here we have the garage, and then this right here, I wanted to create this little nook where we have extra storage, and then I wanted a mirror where I could see myself right before I would leave to make sure I look okay. And then I wanted something for the top where I could keep my purse, my phone, my headphones when I go to the gym, things like that. Cool story about this. We actually bought this, like this beautiful blue color, and then we brought it in here because we were gonna hang up a different mirror. We brought it home, it didn't really fit or match, so we decided to paint it white, the same color as our fireplace. I thought it was gonna be a breeze, like 30 minutes. Nope, it was 4 hours. But I love it. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I think it's a beautiful piece and it fits perfectly in this little space. All right, so behind me is the laundry room. And this is a very simple laundry room. We have a washer and dryer, and we actually added this second little storage right here just because every single place I go to or we've lived in, there's always extra storage at the top, but I'm so short I can't reach anything. And because the washer and dryer, they're so big and they couldn't come out, I can't even place anything on top easily. So Andre was amazing. He added this for me, and I love that everything is in my arm's reach and it's a little bit more organized, and I like that feeling that I can actually reach something. Fun times. So then walking back from the laundry room into the kitchen, you walk into this little hallway and you have the master suite, which I love because it's very separate from the rest of the house. And I love these little cute double doors. I think it's so cute. So here we have our little master retreat. We pretty much just have our bed set up and our little nightstands to charge our phones and the little light. Yeah, so it's a really cute little space. Very simple. We definitely want to add some more art, pictures, maybe add some kind of little table, but Andre and myself, we both don't like dressers in the master bedroom. I feel like it's a little cluttered. Maybe we'll add like a nice chair on one of the sides. I'm thinking we're probably gonna hang this mirror up right here just to kind of, I don't know, add some color and a little bit of something to the wall because I think it's a little bit bare, but you can't really add too much because we have the thermostat and the light switches over there. So then moving on, here we have the master bedroom, and also again, the cute little 2 French doors. So here we have the shower, very simple. Here we have the throne, or for regular folks it's called the bathroom. I'm just kidding. And we totally picked that picture out. It says stay a while. Yeah, we're corny. And then here we have 2 double sinks. But I like this bathroom. It's very simple, it's open, and it fits both of us very well at the same time, which I love and appreciate. We have the closet. This closet needs a lot of extra room, which we kind of added in terms of storage. So this is my side, and then we have this side right here, which I'm not really gonna show you, but Andre could quickly show you guys. It's a little bit smaller than the last place, so I kind of had to scramble and think of ways to add more space and room for my stuff and Andre's stuff. We're still gonna add an entire wall of storage on my side and a little bit on this side, and then I think a little bit on Andre's side at the very top and above the door, but we're still getting to that. But right now it's kind of working and it's not as cluttered as I thought it would be, so I'm happy about that. All right, follow me. So basically this makes like a really nice circle. The master bedroom closet is right next to the laundry room, which is amazing. It is so good. So then walking into this little hallway, we're back into the kitchen. And then we have the upstairs area, which you guys can follow me. So this is the space where we have questions, or we have 3 ideas of what to do with it. When we got this place, it was not painted. So this is the last part of the house that we still have to paint. And this is gonna be kind of like our guest retreat / home theater or a playroom for the kids. So we're kind of thinking of what to do. So right here we have our couch set up with all of our pillows. We made a bench for our bay window and we put a bunch of pillows on it. But because we don't have a bay window here, we had to take apart our bench, but we took all of our pillows with us. And obviously I'm not gonna keep all of them here. I just wanted to kind of put them in a place where they're not gonna get dirty. But I'm going to probably put them a lot into storage or into the attic. So what we're thinking is we have this wall right here that is really tall, and we're thinking to put like a projector and make kind of like a theater in this room, or make this into kind of like a playroom for the kids. Maybe behind the couch put like a bunch of storage, and then maybe put like a little console table with a smaller TV up here so it's not too obnoxious. And then when we do have guests, we will put them up here with an extra bed, so kind of they have their own private area. And then right here we have the 3rd bathroom, which is really nice. It's smaller, it's just a standing shower, but it's a 3rd bedroom, so I'm not complaining. It has a nice walk-in shower, toilet, and a sink. Pretty much everything you need in a bathroom. I think we're gonna add a lot more sitting areas, maybe add more poops, maybe like a really cool beanbag chair, just so it would be a really cool like hangout, relaxed area. What do you guys think? What was your other idea?
My idea was the
theater?
Yeah.
Of course, Andre wants a theater. But we're thinking the difference. Should we add a huge projector or just get like a bigger TV? If you guys have a theater, what do you guys have in there? A big projector screen or a TV? So you guys probably want to know where we moved to. A lot of you actually said or thought that we moved to Florida. What I meant was we moved away from Florida. We lived there for almost 6 years. I moved there when we got married, so did Andre. He lived there before I did, but he lived in California when we got engaged, but then we moved to Florida. And we lived there for almost 6 years, pretty much for our entire married life, and we decided to move to Tennessee. We live in the Nashville area, and we could not be any happier. It is so amazing up here. My sister lives up here, and it was just the most perfect timing to come up here, and we are very excited, and it's been definitely a lot of fun. It's been a little bit stressful just because we didn't have a place to live for almost a month. We lived with my sister and we traveled a little bit, but finding a place here was a little bit tough, but this place was amazing and we are just so happy that we found it. And it's literally a street away from my sister where she lives. They come over all the time, and I didn't see her yesterday and I told her I already miss her. But yeah, we love it and we are very happy, and we're very excited for this new chapter in Tennessee. So thank you guys for watching, checking out a new place. Please leave your suggestions down below for what I asked. We kind of are up in the air of what to do with some of the things, but let me know what you think. I love you all very much. Thank you for always supporting us. But for now, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.